In a previous video, I taught you how to fix this fabric on the zipper. This is optional. Okay, this you can fix this fabric on your zipper if only maybe your zipper is shorter than the wideness of your fabric. I hope you understand. So if the zipper is exactly your fabric, that's the size of your bag, then you can um exclude this part. But if the zipper is not long enough to contain the wideness of your bag, then you can extend it by this um, fabric. So what I did, after I pushed the fabric out, can you see? If you were watching the video, you will see how I pushed the fabric out. So we are going to join this zipper to the next thing you are going to do now is to fold your zipper into two like so, then mark the middle point. So mark the midpoint. So you also do that to the bag. Okay, the middle part of the bag, you fold it into two at the top. Where I folded the zipper, fold the fabric into two and notch the or mark the middle part, then the middle touching the middle, the way I place the zipper on it, then go ahead and pin it down. Okay, so one thing I did was that the zipper was facing the right side of the fabric. Can you see? So after placing the zipper, then you put your lining on top. Can you see? So put your lining on top. You just go ahead and sew straight on it. Ensure you sew close to the engine. So you sew gently, do not rush, so that you will not break your needle, so that you not lose and sew inside the zipper engine. Okay, so I'll go ahead and pin it. When sewing this, ensure that at the zipper head, drag it down a little to the middle point and sew it. After sewing, then you drag the zipper back before completing the sewing. Okay, I hope you understand what I mean by that. I will show you as we go. So I'll go ahead to my sewing machine and sew it and show you how it looks. So I did the same thing for the other remaining fabric or the remaining pattern. That is, I placed the pattern and the lining on at the other side of the zipper, the same way I placed this first one that I showed you. So this is the outcome. I went ahead to top stitch. So this is what I was explaining the other time. Okay, you carry the zipper head to the middle, then before you sew on top. Okay, so this is how it is. Can you see how it is now? Our bag is coming out. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to cut off this excess fabric that is at the zipper. We are going to cut it off. Okay, so go ahead and cut yours off like so. So after cutting it off, this is how it looks. So the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to, can you see how it looks like? Okay, our bag is coming out really good. Okay, so you can see that the same way we sewed at the other side, that's how we sewed on this side. Can you see it now? Okay, so this time around we're going to do right side facing right side, fabric facing fabric, lining facing lining. I hope you understand. Can you see how I did it? Fabric facing fabric, lining facing lining. The zip is at the middle there, standing. Okay, so the next thing we are just going to sew where I'm going to mark the shock. That's what you are going to sew on. So ensure that they are equal. If they are not equal, this is where you can now go ahead and trim. Okay, so I'll use the shock to draw on the area that you will sew with your sewing machine. Can you see? So after sewing that area, you come to this area and sew straight. So while sewing this part, ensure that the zipper is facing the fabric, not the lining. Okay, ensure that it's facing this fabric. Then two, ensure you open your zipper to the middle point like this, or even open it close to the end, because we are going to need, if you just sew it without zipping it open, you will lose this thing again and start sewing. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do now is to just flip the zipper to the right side of the fabric and sew on top like so to this end. After you sew to this end, you are going to skip that place, then come to the lining. Okay, sew like 1.5 inch, you stop, then you jump to the end, so 1.5 inch, you stop. You can see what I did. Okay, so you come here and you sew like so also. Okay, so ensure that the zipper is facing the right side of the fabric like so. So go ahead and sew straight on it. Okay, so this is how you are going to sew, leaving those openings. So don't bother about the opening, I will tell you what you are going to do. So go ahead and sew gently on it. Okay, remember, you to open that zipper, it is very important, very important. Oh. Okay, so this is how it is after sewing. Let me show you the sewing video. Please watch as I'm sewing it. Can you see? I left that opening in the lining. Leave opening in the lining because that place we need to use it to turn the other side of it, turn the fabric to the right side. I hope you understand. So this is how I'm sewing it. Okay, so watch the video. Do not skip any part so that you understand how I sew this purse. I hope you understand the sewing video. So after sewing it, this is how it is. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do, just you can cut off the rough trimmings of the bag. So you can weave if you want to weave the inside. If you want to weave it, you can go ahead and weave it. Okay, so I'm just going to pick this end. You know, we left that place open, so we need to close it. Watch the video closely. Can you see how it is? So can you see how I'm putting them together? Can you see? If you cannot follow this method, I will teach you another way again. This is another way. Ensure each end is touching each end, then you place it on your sewing machine and sew straight like so. Okay, I'm going to show you how you are going to sew it though. You can go ahead and secure it with your pin. So you do the same for all the four angles. Okay, go ahead and do it for all the four angles including the lining. So this is the sewing. Just place it on your sewing machine like so. Place it on it. Okay, ensure the edge, the joining is touching each other. Okay, can you see? I'm trying to range it well, so it might take time, so but just range it well and sew on top the way I will sew on top, so that your work will be neat. So that's what we are going to do to every corner of the edge. This is how it came out. Can you see? So this is, I will tell you the reason why we opened up we left that lining place open, so that we'll be able to turn it to the right side. Can you see? This is still the reason why we ensure that the zipper is at the middle, or even more than the middle. You zip it open before joining. Okay, so from this part, just go ahead and squeeze your hand in and bring it out to the right side like so. Okay, so as you are bringing it out, ensure that each of the angles, make sure you bring it out. Okay, like so. Can you see? Bring it out like so. Okay, so I'm trying to bring it out. I'm putting my hand inside, so you can use something sharp to bring it out, but be careful so that you don't pierce your fabric. Okay, so our purse is ready. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is the lining. Okay, do well to also bring out all the angles in the lining. So we are going to fold in the rough edges of that opening in the lining. After you must have brought out the right side, go ahead and fold it in and sew. You can use hemming gum to glue it together, or you can secure it with your sewing machine. It's a lining, so it will not be seen in outside. Okay, so just tuck it in and our bag is ready. At this part, also bring out this part. Okay, our bag is ready and it is beautiful. So you can go ahead and put whatever you want to put in your bag, because your bag is ready. So you can use this actually as souvenir. So just imagine you make like 12 of it, then you carry it, you show it to your friends that I make purse. Or you, when you make an outfit, just rock it, tell them you make it, and you can do it as souvenir. Okay, so you start making it as souvenir for them, for their weddings, for their ceremonies, for their birthday party. They will be, people rush this gift they rush this gift in parties. So just imagine you rocking this beautiful purse. It is very beautiful, can you see, with zipper and knit inside out. Okay, so you can go ahead and attach fabric to the zipper so that it will look a little bit beautiful, more beautiful. Okay, so I'll just bring the fabric to show you. Okay, I went ahead to fold fabric as if it's a bet. Can you see, all bias? Okay, so can you see what I did was to fold in right side, fold in left side, then use right side and left side to touch each other like so. So I went ahead to top stitch on it downward. That's what I did. And the next thing we are going to do is just to fix it at the mouth of the zipper. Either you tie it or you secure it with your sewing machine. So this is the end of this video. I hope to see your finished work in the group.